Unlock the secret to earning $100 per day with Swagbucks referrals. Welcome to the Rich Freelancer YouTube channel. We are thrilled to have you here and can't wait to share with you an amazing opportunity to make money with Swagbucks. In this video, you will learn how to earn 100 DSP for each referral, which is equivalent to $1 per referral. And the best part is, we will also show you how to get unlimited referrals. This is a unique and valuable opportunity that you don't want to miss. By the end of this video, you will have the knowledge and tools to start earning money with Swagbucks through referrals. So, we highly recommend you to watch this video till the end, as we guarantee that you will not regret it. Trust us, by the end of this video, you'll be well on your way to making money with Swagbucks through referrals. So sit back, relax, and don't miss a single second of this video. Now let's get started. Signing up for Swagbucks is easy and can be done in just a few simple steps. First, go to the Swagbucks website and click on the Join Now button. You will then be prompted to create an account by entering your email address and creating a password. Once you have created your account, you will be asked to confirm your email address by clicking on a link sent to your email. After confirming your email, now continue with the following step. But wait, there's more. To make the most of your time on Swagbucks, we highly recommend that you use the referral link in the video description to sign up. By using our referral link, you will be able to receive a sign-up bonus as a new user. So don't miss this opportunity to earn extra cash by signing up with our referral link in the video description. Now that you have signed up, click here and click Refer and Earn. Now you will be able to copy your unique referral link. Now that you have copied the link, let me show you a secret group on Facebook that will give you unlimited referrals. Now go to your Facebook account and search for this group called Financial Help. Now you see there are lots of groups that pops up. The people in these groups are seriously searching for financial help. Now this is the opportunity for you to help them, and when you help them by referring them to Swagbucks, you will get $1 on each person you refer. If you talk to 50 group members in a day and refer them to Swagbucks, then you will be making $50 every day. Now you can start this immediate and start making money online by helping people. To get more videos like this, subscribe to my channel now, and I will see you in my next video.